Good morning guys and welcome back to my channel. It has been a while, so long time no see, but while I'm stuck in quarantine and having all this time off from school and dance, I had the perfect idea of starting to make YouTube videos again. Today's video is going to be quite simple. I will be showing you guys how I make my healthy banana, egg, and oat pancakes. It only takes me about 15 minutes to make, and they are a delicious option to make if you have a little extra time in your morning. I will have more information about this recipe in the description below, so I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started. After you make your coffee, obviously, since it is essential, here's what you will need. First, you're going to need one banana and make sure it's not very ripe so it's easy to mash, 2 eggs, and my eggs are brown eggs, some salt, some cinnamon, and some vanilla extract. You can add any oats you want, but I'm using a half a cup of old-fashioned oats. So you're going to take your bowl, I'm just using this small bowl, and you're going to put your banana in it. Now when you put your banana in it, you're just going to want to cut it so it's easier to smash. So you're going to cut it into pieces like this as shown, and then usually I smash it until it's almost like a paste consistency. So once it looks like this, you're going to then add your 2 eggs and just whisk it all together. So here's what my mixture looks like, and next we're going to add the oats. You can add it little by little, but I just poured the entire thing and mixed it all together. So after whisking this, I eyeballed the next step because I like a lot of cinnamon because it gives you a good flavor, so I added about a half a tablespoon of it, a dash of vanilla, and a pinch of salt. And then just mix it all together for the last time. And here's what my mixture looks like. Next, I use butter spray, and you're going to spray that on your pan. And to measure this out, I just used the half cup that we used for the oats, and I just scooped it onto the pan. Now, you're going to let it sit and cook until you start to see bubbles at the top. And once you think it is done, give it a flip. You're going to let it cook on the other side, but for not as long, you just kind of have to eyeball it and just take it off when both sides are brown. So be careful with the second one because now that your pan is hot, the pancake is going to cook a lot faster. And with this one, as you can tell, I burnt it. So since this makes about 4 pancakes, I usually spray the butter on the pan every other pancake just to keep them crisp. And voila, here is the finished product. The nice thing is that you can add anything you want. I used spray butter on the top of my pancake, and here I am putting on some maple syrup. I'm also sprinkling on some blueberries and blackberries. You can also add these into the pancakes while you're making them if you want to. And here I'm just going to cut into them to see how they look. And they look perfectly delicious. Thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this easy recipe. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video.